Hi guys, so for this I was making a pasta. I made a pesto Alfredo pasta. I was trying to go with the theme of Halloween. This video is old. So I made a homemade Alfredo sauce and added pesto to it. And I was on a healthy kick, so I got whole wheat noodles. So I'm going to season the chicken. I kind of use the same spices over and over again. I don't know. I like my favorites. Everyone has their favorites, I guess. And that's truffle seasoning I'm using. Mix, mix, mix. So for this pasta, I did sausage and chicken. And yes, guys, I deep cleaned my counter before I do anything. I have OCD. Like, I'm obsessive about cleaning. I'm pretty sure after I was done cutting the sausage, I Sanny wiped my counter down. So there I am adding the sausage into the chicken. Mix that all up. And my husband didn't really like this pasta. I'm not gonna lie. He said it had a weird taste, but I liked it, and the kids liked it, so I don't know. I wanted something new. And there I am, making the homemade Alfredo sauce while the noodles were cooking. Yep, same seasons I used on the chicken. And yes, I burnt the pan. Yes, I did. And that's just a little bit of pesto I used. And that's me adding everything together. See, it came out green. I wanted like something fun for Halloween. And actually, I believe I took this video on Halloween. This was like right before trick-or-treating. And mix, mix, mix. Yep. It was not bad at all. Maybe he didn't like it because it's whole wheat. I know whole wheat has like a weird texture. But it was not bad. And of course it's Halloween. I had to use the tombstone bowl. And there we are. And I had cute little Halloween cups. I'm a collector of many things.